Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Unique table covers design offers a refreshing departure from conventional styles, infusing dining spaces with creativity and individuality. These distinctive table covers showcase an era of artistic elements and imaginative concepts that captivate the eye and spark conversion from strike patterns and bold color combination to intricate handcrafted designs. Each table cover becomes a work of art in its own right. Innovative materials such as sustainable fabrics or upcycled materials contribute to the eco-conscious appeal of these unique designs. Aligning with modern values of sustainability and responsible consumption, the versatility of these table covers knows no bounds as they can be adapted to suit various occasions, from casual family meals to formal gatherings and themed parties. Embracing asymmetry, the unconventional shapes, these table covers break free from traditional norms, celebrating the beauty of imperfection and artistic expression. When paired with carefully selected tableware and complementary decoration elements, these one-of-a-kind table covers transform the dining experience into a delightful visual journey, leaving a lasting expression on guests, becoming cherished pieces that define the character of the space they are known for. Those seeking to add a touch of personality and flair to their dining area, unique table cover design presents our authenticity opportunity to embrace artistry and make a distinctive statement that reflects their taste and style. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.